Imagine finally being able to blast away years of baked-on grease and stubborn bathroom grime without ever having to touch a harsh chemical or scrub until your arms ache. Welcome back. If you're ready to let 2,500 watts of pure, pressurized steam do the heavy lifting for you, the red handheld high-temperature steam cleaner is about to become your house's new best friend. This isn't just a basic fabric steamer. It is a heavy-duty industrial cleaning tool designed for the toughest jobs in your home and car. It pumps out 2,500 W of power, reaching temperatures over 221 degrees Fahrenheit 105 degrees Celsius in just 10 seconds. That kind of heat doesn't just clean. It sanitizes, melting away oil, grease, and bacteria from stovetops, grout lines, and engine bays with zero effort. The standout feature here is the 6 adjustable levels, allowing you to dial the steam pressure back for delicate upholstery or crank it to the max for scouring your barbecue grill or car wheels. What makes this handheld unit so practical is the large capacity water tank and the extended hose, which give you about an hour of continuous cleaning time without constant refills. It comes with a full kit of specialized attachments, including steel brushes for tough metal surfaces and nylon brushes for tile and furniture, so you can transition from the kitchen to the bathroom and then out to the driveway in one session. It's compact, incredibly powerful, and arguably the most satisfying way to get your home looking brand new again. Click the link below for the best price and start deep cleaning like a pro today. If this review helped you find the ultimate cleaning hack, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the gear that actually works. See you in the next one.